If you have issues with the Bluetooth device not connecting properly on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, here's what you can do in order to try to solve these issues. The first thing that you can do is to simply reboot your phone. This is of course something basic that you can do at first. Just restart your phone and then try to connect your Bluetooth device to see if that works. If it doesn't help, then what you can do is you can go to settings and open Bluetooth. And in my case, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn off my Bluetooth device. There we go. We're gonna also turn off Bluetooth on the phone. We're gonna turn Bluetooth back on and turn on my Bluetooth device as well. And hopefully, by doing so, you can fix your Bluetooth issue if it doesn't connect. Now, in my case, I had the Bluetooth device already paired before. But in your case, if it wasn't paired yet, then you might want to go to the settings of the Bluetooth device and you might want to unpair the device. And then, of course, just turn it off, turn it back on, and pair it again by using the pairing button, if possible, of course. And if not possible, if you don't have the pairing button on your earbuds or any other Bluetooth device, then just what you can do is you can perform a hard reset, for example, to make sure that your device, that Bluetooth device, is not connected to anything else. And there we go, we can easily pair the Bluetooth over here. Remember that you can also refresh the list after a couple of seconds in here, if necessary. And if none of this helps, what you can also do is you can reset settings. So we're gonna go to more connectivity options. And in here we have reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth. So we're gonna select it. And of course over here we need to tap that we want to reset. And unfortunately we will reset Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth together. We cannot really separate it. And this also means that you will, for example, erase all Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So just remember to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks as well. But essentially you want to go back to Bluetooth and try to pair your Bluetooth device again, and hopefully this time it will work. But like I said, also especially if you don't have the pairing button, you can hard reset your Bluetooth device. But unfortunately I cannot really show you how to do that with your Bluetooth device, because every Bluetooth device has its own way to do so. So you need to find the manual of your Bluetooth device to try to find that information, for example. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.